dancing and love put us into a groove. As soon as we started to move, music played while our bodies displayed through the dance. That love picked us out for romance. I thought it was clear the plan was we would share this feeling just between ourselves. But when the music changed, the plan was rearranged. You went to dance with someone else. We started dancing and love put us into a groove. But now he's with somebody new. What does love want me to